He was definitely huge.
Were you starstruck at all?
No, I didn't, like, I don't know. When I met him, and he was just really cool. Like, he's always been the same from, before it got, because it wasn't crazy at that time. It wasn't like, everywhere he went, oh my god, Justin Bieber.
Right.
So before that, I think he's still, like, the same person to this day, which is a good thing. You know, he has really good people around him and stuff. So, he's
Cool. What advice do you have for these girls who want to be Justin Biebers?
Well, if you ever meet him, smile. He loves smiles. He loves a girl's smile, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, totally.
What else? Anything else?
I don't know. I would say if you ever met him, just be yourself. Like, you know, however you are, just be that way. Don't try to be someone you're not. That's totally not cool.
And have you and Justin ever been boyfriend, girlfriend, or done that, or
No.
ventured into that?
No, never.
That's tricky territory, especially with someone you work with. So
absolutely not. We've been best friends for a year and a half, and we plan to keep it that way.
That's good. So what do you think about all these girls who are fawning over him?
It's hilarious. Like, and sometimes they ask him, like, why do you think they cry? He's like, I don't know. Like, I don't know either. Like, why are they crying? Like, it's sometimes even, you know, like, you feel bad that you make someone cry. Like, it's, you know that it's happy, but it's like, oh my god, don't cry. Like, one time we'll get, like, these big super soakers. Like, we'll totally change into our shorts and stuff. And we both decided to attack, this was after the show one day, attack Sean Kingston. And so when he got off stage, we, like, came from behind the buses, and we were, like, getting him and stuff. But then his side kidnapped me and dumped me in the bucket of water. Like, it was a big, like, trash can full of water, and I got dumped, so that kind of sucked. But it was so much fun, because they didn't expect it. We were like, yeah. Well, we've been, to laser tag, we've bowled.
Who's the better bowler?
Oh, him? I can't bowl at all.
Oh, really?
Like, no. He always, and he'll bowl on my turn sometimes, which sucks. But he gets me, like,
points.
Like, I forgot what it's
the
called.
Turkey, strike.
Yeah, strike. Hey, I'm not good at it. You can tell I don't get many of those. But yeah, we went go-kart racing.
Really?
Which was also pretty interesting.
And everywhere you go, you have to have it totally mapped out, right? Like, it's like, they're coming in, and you have to have your teams. And
we even go to the mall sometimes.
No.
We get, like, a good hour and a half in before people, like, really realize that.
Justin?
Yeah.
Gets an hour and a half?
An hour and a half. We got an hour and a half at Mall of America.
What happened? So you guys arrived?
We went, and, like, we were just walking around, and people were just kind of like, you know, we would pass them, and they were like, was that? Like, you know, we went golfing, we went mini golfing, and, we went through the mirror maze, and then people were, like, following us. People started following us, like, an hour and a half into it, and then we had this huge mob behind us, and we decided, he was like, I think we should just book it. We should just run. So we started running, like, really fast, and then everyone else started running, and then we ran into the Macy's and jumped into the beds and, like, pulled the covers over, and they went past us. They didn't know where we went.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It was like a movie.
That's out of a movie.
It was out of a movie. It was so much fun, though. We were with his friend Mitch, also. It was fun.
That's awesome.